we'll guide you through how to understand what ChatGPT is all about. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. This is where you'll find the ChatGPT interface. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can engage in human-like conversations. It uses machine learning techniques to understand and respond to text inputs. Once you're on the website, you can begin by either signing up for a new account or logging in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll be greeted by a simple chat interface. You can start typing in your questions or topics you'd like to discuss in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Press Enter, and you'll see ChatGPT generating responses in real time. It's designed to simulate a conversation with a real person, providing information, answering questions, and even offering creative ideas based on the input you provide. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT is incredibly advanced, it's not perfect and may sometimes provide incorrect or nonsensical answers. You can refine your questions or ask follow-up questions to get more accurate responses. The model learns and improves over time, so the more you interact with it, the better it gets at understanding your queries. You can also adjust settings to control the tone and style of the responses if you're a pro user. ChatGPT is used for a wide range of applications from customer support to creative writing and even coding help. It's an invaluable tool for those looking to leverage AI for both work and personal use. Don't forget to subscribe and